First, you choose an element. The one I will be using is boron. First, you have to find the atomic number, which is 5, and that gives you the protons and the electrons.
Now we are going to draw our protons and electrons. The two inner electrons that are marked on the first ring are the only two you're allowed to put on that ring. On these three on the outer ring, they can have up to 8, but we only have 3 to fill it. One way to check whether you're right on your number of rings is to look at the column that boron is in, and that tells you 3 valence electrons, which means the outermost electrons. And you just go to your atom, and you can see that you have 3 electrons on your outer ring. Now, to check and make sure that your rings are the right amount, would be to go over here and count down to the row that boron is in, which would be the second row, and 2 would be how many rings there are in this atom.
We're not done with this atom. We still have to find the number of neutrons. To find neutron for boron, you have to take 5, the atomic number, from the atomic mass, which is 10.8, and that's how you find your neutron.
Now to draw the neutrons. The reason that they are in between one another is because you have to even the atom out, because if all the protons and all the neutrons are together, then they will be fighting back and forth.
One last fact about the periodic table. When you go down the column, it gets bigger. When you go across, it gets smaller.